In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install an audio speaker output device on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So if it's a normal plug-and-play device, it should automatically install when you plug it in. If it's a wireless Bluetooth connected device, you would have to open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. Select the system item on the left panel, and then on the right side, select sound. And then underneath output, you may have to expand the drop down for that. Select where it says pair a new output device, select add device, and then walk through the on-screen prompts of getting it configured, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.